Welcome to the video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can earn over $70 back to back using just the Telegram app, nothing else. Make sure to follow this video to the end so you can learn. Now here, as you can see, this bot that says create airdrop bot, we are going to be claiming the create token from this bot and we are going to be converting it to Tron, TRX or USDT to earn over $70. Now the first step is to start the bot. Now here are some details. As you can see, then you join this channel right here. I have joined the channel already, so I can click on the continue button. So now, as you can see, it says congratulations, you have received a bonus of 100,000 credits from this airdrop. I have just received 100,000 credits as a welcome bonus. Now, as you can see right here, it says I can earn 50,000 credits for each of your friends you invite to participate from this airdrop. So it is very easy to make money from this airdrop event. So now we need to proceed to withdraw and convert this token. If I click on withdraw right here, it says the minimum withdraw is 200,000 credits. That means I cannot withdraw now because currently my balance is just 100,000 credits, as you can see right here. So we need to earn 100,000 credits more. And to do this, it is either you refer two of your friends by using your referral link so that you can earn 50,000 credits each, which is 100,000. So if you do not have anybody to invite, you can just click on the redeem code button here and then you paste this code. So if you do not have anybody to refer, just click on the redeem code button here. Then you are going to paste this code right here, this redeem code, so that it will give you 100,000 credits for free. Now this redeem code I just pasted here will be in the description. The link to this create airdrop bot will also be in the description. So just copy it and paste it like this. Okay, so it says congrats, you have successfully redeemed 100,000 credits. Now with this 100,000 credit that we have just received, our balance is now 200,000 credits. This is like the minimum withdrawal. So now we can proceed to withdraw the credit and swap it to TRX or USDT. Now to do this, we'll be going over to a crypto wallet that we'll be using. That is a web app named MetaPocket. Okay, so right now I am at MetaPocket. The link to MetaPocket will also be in the description. So just click on start. We are going to this. MetaPocket is like a crypto wallet, just like Trust Wallet, but credit tokens listed on it, and we can swap credits to USDT or TRS on MetaPocket. So just click on this access wallet button and it is going to load up an interface like this. Okay, so now as you can see, this is like my MetaPocket balance. I have 0 TRS. I just have a little BNB, as you can see right here. BNB worth like $2.84. But if you're a new user, all your balance will be 0. So since we want to withdraw credits into MetaPocket, just scroll down until you see credits like this right here. Then tap on it, click on receive. Then this right here is your credit receiver's address. You can receive credit using this wallet address. You know, credit is also on the Tron blockchain network, so the address is similar to that of Tron. So you click on copy. Then we go back to the create airdrop bot. Now at the create airdrop bot, you click on set wallet. Then you paste your wallet address from MetaPocket. So now we have successfully set our create wallet address. We can proceed to withdraw the 200,000 credits we have in our balance to MetaPocket. So now I am to input the amount of credit I want to withdraw. That is 200,000, as you can see right now. Okay, so it is processing my withdrawal. Now it says airdrop withdrawal successful. That means my request of payout to credit is now successful. Let us go back to MetaPocket to confirm this. So now back to MetaPocket, just click on this access wallet button and let's get into our wallet. Now back to MetaPocket, as you can see right here, you see the total balance is currently $75. It was like formerly close to $3. And if we scroll down right here, you can see that we have successfully received 200,000 credits, which is about $72.8. So we have successfully claimed about $72.8 right now. But you cannot sell credits on most like exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and so on. So what we are going to do is we are going to swap this credit into TRS or USDT, which we will now withdraw to maybe your Trust Wallet, your Binance, or wherever you want to sell it. So that is what we are going to do right now. And to do that, we need to head over to the swap page. So just click on this swap button right here. Now at the swap page, you are swapping crate to Tron. You can swap to USDT. Which one works for you? Whichever one works for you. So you click on this from right here. Then you scroll down and select crate. Then to. That's the coin we are swapping to. As you can see, our balance here has shown 200,000 crate. I can choose to swap to Bitcoin, but I'm going to swap to Tron so that I can be able to sell it off easily. Now you click on this place right here and you enter the amount of, credit that you want to swap. That is 200,000. And you can see swapping 200,000 credits, you get about 267 Tron. That is like over $70. Click on this exchange button right here and it is going to tell you to confirm the conversion. So let's click on confirm conversion. Okay, so we have hit an error right here because we don't have enough Tron balance for gas fee. Remember, the crate is also on the Tron network, so we need little Tron in our wallet to be able to, swap. We need little Tron in our wallet to be able to swap our crate to Tron. So what we do now is we go back. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to go back to our home page and we are going to deposit, little TRX into our wallet for gas fee. Okay, so now we are currently on our wallet page and want to deposit some TRS so that we can be able to have enough gas fee to swap our $72 worth of credit into Tron or USDT. So you click on TRS right here, click on receive. Now you can see this is our address to receive Tron. You click on copy to copy it. The minimum deposit is about 12 TRS, so don't deposit less than 12 TRS. You might not need up to like 12 TRS for the gas fee, but if you deposit less than TRS, it might not be like received into the wallet. I don't know if they will change like their minimum deposit later. So now let me go over to my Trust wallet to send some Tron into this address. So now I have copied my address. Let's go over to my Trust wallet, to deposit some TRS into the wallet. So as you can see here, I've sent some TRS into the Meta Pocket wallet. So let's go back to the wallet. You can click right here and click on reload page. Okay, so as you can see right now, I have reloaded the wallet, and as you can see, my deposit of 12 TRS has re-entered successfully. So now let us go over to the swap page to complete the swap transaction. Okay, now we are going to click on this right here, scroll down to create, and we're also going to select TRS. That is the coin we are swapping to. So as you can see right here, 200,000 credits will give us 267 TRX. So since we have the gas fee now, we are going to swap 200,000 credits into 267 TRX. It is as easy as that. We're going to click on exchange and confirm conversion. So as you can see right now, it says exchange successful. So now let us go back to the main wallet page to check our updated balance. So as you can see, we scroll down to credit. We currently have 0 credit because we have swapped all our credit to Tron TRS. So now as you can see, we currently have 271 TRX as the balance. That means we have added 267 TRS that we got from the credit airdrop. So now what we're going to do is, since I don't know anyhow you want to sell your own, but I'm going to be withdrawing this amount of Tron back to my Trust wallet because I want to sell it immediately. So now you click on Tron, click on send. So as you can see right here, our balance is currently 271 Tron. So I'm going to go back to Trust wallet to copy my receiver address to receive the TRS. Now I'm going to paste the address here, enter the amount of Tron I want to withdraw, and there is no need for any memo. Then you click on confirm withdrawal. So now the withdrawal is processing. So now our withdrawal is successful. Let us go back to Trust wallet to confirm the withdrawal. Okay, so now you can even see it directly from here. I have received 271 TRS. So let's go back to my Trust wallet to confirm. So this is it right here, guys. I think I had like a balance of 3 TRS earlier, and now 271 has been added to it. So this is how I have actually claimed over $70 on Telegram app using just my phone and Telegram app. It is as easy as that. So, even if you have more than one Telegram account, just make sure you claim as much credit as you can. Take it over to Meta Pocket, swap it, then withdraw your TRX. You can withdraw it as USDT. You see all these coins here, this USDC, BitTorrent, Wink Link, Just, Crate, everything is under Tron network, so you can swap to any of it. I have showed you how to successfully get over $70 for free without stress. This is a very good earning system for 2025. So that is all for today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more. Bye.